If you want to center the taskbar icons on your Windows 10 computer similar to Windows 11 or macOS, here's how you can do it. First, right-click on your taskbar and make sure that Lock All Taskbars is unchecked. This will allow us to modify the positioning and add other elements on the taskbar. Then, right-click again on your taskbar and select Toolbars, and then make sure that Links is checked if it isn't already. Notice that now, there are two sets of vertical bars or lines appeared on the left and right side of your taskbar. This is what we will use to change the position of your taskbar icons. To change the position of the taskbar icons on the left, drag the Links toolbar on the right all the way to the left side of your taskbar icons, just like this. The app icon should snap to the right side of your taskbar. That's what we want, because from that, you can now drag the vertical lines on the left of your app icons to move the position of your icons at the center of the taskbar, just like this. Though there's no way to perfectly center the icons by default, so you just estimate the center position based on your monitor or screen. We're almost done. For finishing touches, you may want to hide the links text of this toolbar by right-clicking it and then unchecking the Show Text and Show Title options. Finally, you can lock your taskbar again to avoid accidentally moving the position of your icons by right-clicking your taskbar and then checking the Lock All Taskbars. And that's it. I hope that you find this video useful, and if you do so, I appreciate if you like or comment on this video. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye!